Students, welcome to the subject Business Intelligence. Today's session is session number 11 and the topic is Getting to Know Unstructured Data Part 2. Students, in the 10th session we have learned unstructured data and various related topics to it. Today we shall consider the remaining topic related to unstructured data. How to store unstructured data. There are certain challenges faced while storing unstructured data. We'll just list them one by one and study them. First challenge is storage space. It is difficult to store and manage unstructured data. A lot of space is required to store such data. It is difficult to store images, videos, audios, etc. Students, you very well know what is unstructured data. Unstructured data is one which cannot be put in terms of rows and columns as in case of database. You cannot store it properly. For example, images, videos, audios, email, documents, etc. So, the first challenge is storage space. Second challenge is scalability. As the data grows, scalability becomes an issue and the cost of storing such data grows. Since there is no proper format, additional data creates a lot of problem. Third challenge while storing unstructured data is retrieving information. So in this case, even if unstructured data is stored, it is difficult to retrieve and recover from it. Students, as there is no proper index or format, it is very difficult to recover the data from the storage. Point number 4. Security. Ensuring security is difficult due to varied sources of data, example, emails, web pages, etc. Fifth, update and delete. Updating and deleting unstructured data are very difficult as retrieval is difficult due to no clear structure. Since there is no proper structure, retrieval of data is difficult, and that is why updating and deleting data is also difficult. Sixth, indexing and searching. Indexing unstructured data is difficult and error prone as the structure is not clear and attributes are not predefined. Indexing becomes all the more difficult as the volume of data grows. So now we shall study the solutions to storage challenges of unstructured data that were listed earlier. So there are certain solutions we can find so that we can overcome the challenges. We shall study them one by one. Changing the format. Unstructured data may be converted to formats which are easily managed, stored and searched. For example, IBM, that is International Business Machine Group, is working on providing a solution which will convert audio, video, etc. into text. So once you convert this audio, video into text, you can easily store the text format. Point number 2, developing new hardware. New hardware needs to be developed to support unstructured data. It may either complement existing storage or maybe stand alone for unstructured data. Point number 3, storing in RDBMS or blobs. Unstructured data may be stored in relational databases which support blobs. Blobs stands for binary large objects. Fifth, storing in XML format. Unstructured data may be stored in XML format which tries to give some structure to it by using tags and elements. Students, so using XML format is one more way to store unstructured data, as we can provide tags there. Sixth, content addressable storage, CAS. It organizes files based on their metadata and assigns a unique name to every object stored in it. The object is retrieved based on its location. It is used extensively to store emails, etc. So, students, we have studied the solutions to the challenges faced when storing unstructured data. Now, we shall take up how to extract information from stored unstructured data. Students, once you have stored, even there are certain challenges we will face while extracting the data. We shall first list what are the challenges, and in the next topic we shall study solutions to these challenges. First, challenges faced while extracting information. First, interpretation. This data is not easily interpreted by conventional search algorithm. So interpretation is a problem because there is no standard algorithm to interpret the data. Point number 2, classification or taxonomy. Different naming conventions followed across the organization make it difficult to classify data. Students, classification and taxonomy is also difficult because naming conventions are not followed here. Third, indexing. Designing algorithm to understand the meaning of the documentation and then tagging or indexing them accordingly is difficult. So even indexing is a problem. Fourth, deriving meaning. Computer programs cannot automatically derive meaning or structure from unstructured data. Fifth, file formats. Increasing number of file formats makes it difficult to interpret the data. Okay, since the file formats are more in number, so interpretation of data is difficult. Tags. As the data grows, it is not possible to put tags manually. So I have listed some 6 challenges faced while extracting the information. Now we shall study the possible solutions to the challenges faced while extracting data. We'll study one by one. First, tags. Unstructured data can be stored in a virtual repository and be automatically tagged. For example, Documentum provides this type of solution. Second, text mining. Text mining tools help in grouping as well as classifying unstructured data and assist in analyzing by considering grammar, context, and synonyms, etc. Third, application platforms. Application platforms like XOLAP help extract information from email and XML based documents. Point number 4, classification or taxonomy. Taxonomies within the organization can be managed automatically to organize data in hierarchical structures. Fifth, naming conventions or standards. Following naming conventions or standards across an organization can greatly improve storage, retrieval, indexing, and search operations. Students, today we have studied the remaining part of the unstructured data. that is challenges and solutions faced while storing the data, also challenges and the solutions while retrieving the information from the stored data. So we'll stop here for the day. I'll be sending PDF. Okay, you can go through PDF. Please write it in the notebook and also find the answers to the questions followed. Thank you.